This level has become very important for USDCAD. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday, 24th May 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a beginner, complete beginner, you do not have any idea about the functioning of the market, about how the charts work, about the support, resistance, the levels, the indicators, then I have uploaded a playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, I have uploaded 32 videos in the form of a course. I have arranged the videos accordingly so that you get the fair idea about the basic stuff, about the how the chart functions, the candlestick patterns, then the support, resistance, the indicators. Okay, after finishing off this 32 videos, you'll get a very good idea about the functioning of the market. Okay, and if you want to learn from me personally one-on-one basis, then please visit my website avilashhazarika.com/workshop. You'll get all the necessary details here. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, and if we just look at the chart, then there is no doubt that market is in downtrend. And as I always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to other markets. Okay, but there is a complication in this chart that I'll come back later. Okay, because see, we all know that whenever market is in downtrend like this or clean downtrend, okay, clean downtrend like this, then trading becomes very simple. We just need to find a resistance. So whenever market will be going up, it will face resistance. When it will reverse from there, just short the market, plain and simple. Okay, it's a sell on rise market. Okay, it's a sell on rise market. It's plain and simple market. But if you have watched my previous videos on USDCAD, then you know that there is a complication going on in this US dollar Canadian dollar chart, because see, though market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, things look very beautiful. Still, there is a complication here. Okay, you cannot short the market right here because for that, because we need to switch to the weekly time frame. Okay, because in the weekly time frame we can see that, okay, we can see that there is a support here. Okay, there is a support here, or right now market is just standing at the support. Just look at this particular price level. There is no doubt that market is falling, okay, from a long time. Okay, market is falling for a long time. Market is in downtrend. Okay, overall market is in downtrend since 2020. But right now market is standing at the support level. You may be thinking that, Avilash, we are in a weekly chart, this support is far away because this support belongs to the year 2017. How is it valid right now? Then I would like to answer here. Just look at this resistance. Okay, and when market was going up, okay, market was very much bullish, bulls were very much in pressure. But see, after this particular level, reaching this level, market started coming down, and this high belongs to the year 2016. So my point is, if a resistance from the year 2016 is still valid, because see, when market after 2016, when market reached this high in the year 2020 again, market faced the same resistance and market started coming down or going down, and after that market is still in downtrend. Okay, market could not recover till yet. Okay, so my question is, if a resistance from 2016 is a valid one, then the support from the 2017 is still valid. So if this is a valid one, okay, or if this resistance is valid, then this support is also valid. Okay, therefore, according to the weekly chart, market is just standing at the uh, support level. Therefore, what we should do then? Okay, if we look at this particular chart, Forex chart, my beloved, my personal favorite chart. Okay, but still I'll tell you not to trade. Though the chart looks very simple, very lucrative. Okay, but still I'll tell you not to trade in this market, because see, right now market is just trading or standing at the support level. Okay, so what we should do then, we should just wait now. Okay, we should just wait now and observe the market, because the market is in downtrend since 2020. Okay, and right now market is standing at the support. Okay, market is standing at a support from 2017. Okay, so things are very much complicated here. Therefore wait for 1 or 2 days and just observe how the market rolls. Okay, in case after market opening on Monday, if we see some good selling pressure, okay, if we see some good selling pressure crossing the previous low 1.2010 level, this 1.2010, then we can short the market. Okay, but after a couple of hours of observation. Okay, observation is very much important right now, or else we will go for a buy order if market crosses 1.2176. Okay, but this is also very much what to say, yeah, subjective. Subjective is the best word, because see, market is in downtrend since 2020. We cannot go ahead and buy. Okay, it may be a retracement also. Okay, it may be a retracement. Suppose market cross this level, we started thinking, buying power has come. Okay, suppose we buy here, suppose we buy 2250, we buy here and market started falling from this. Okay, so we need to be very careful. Okay, if market crosses this level also, we need to wait for at least 1 day, because market is falling for 1 year, so we'll have to at least wait for 1 day. Okay, just try to understand the logic here, just try to understand the market psychology here. Market is falling for 1 year, so we'll have to wait for at least 1 day if market crosses this level. So right now strategy is nothing, just wait and watch, because being a trader, it is your duty. Is duty is to become a disciplined trader. Your duty is to observe the market, understand the market, read the charts, and then take a decision. As of now, our duty is to observe the market, observe USD CAD as of now. So until and unless market is in this range, we will not take any trade. That's it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.